Hello, welcome back to the layout part 3 for SketchUp. Go to the main page. That's where we left off the last time. Alright, we had wall panel number 3. So we'll give this actual a title, give it a name. 2 GF CLT wall 003. And then page 4 happens to be wall panel number 5. That's fine. What we can actually do though as well, if we wanted, we can go in and press the label, press the panel, do that, and we should have a choice. And we could indeed do that. And that would name the object for us as well, if there was more than one object within your view. So that may be more relevant if we've got a three-dimensional. So we'll do that in the three-dimensional version. So for just now, I thought I would bring in a timber frame panel from a different building in, just to show you the same tool. This panel has a name, and we'll give the page this name. For timber frame panel 002. And again, we can select the tool for labeling, and for here we have the option. So if we choose the entity, so there's the panel itself. The panel itself only has one component definition. If we go into the OSB, which we're actually touching onto, we identify that it's OSB, and we'll do that. Or we can select that top rail, and again it's a C16 plus material, and it's a timber top rail. And you go about doing exactly that. Window lintel. Oops. Oh, I messed that one up. Try that one more time. Window lintel, and this should be window sill if I've named it properly. Window sill. Again, I can put all sorts of dimensions on there if I chose to do that. Of course, in your example, you will be doing such a thing. Or, in fact, I would do a center. And allow you to do that in your own time. Now, if I, again, take the internal page, duplicate it, I'll name this ISO 1 and 2. delete, delete, select that, and I'll go ISO 1, make that a little bit smaller, and then just make sure that's hybrid, and we'll copy and we'll paste that, and we'll have ISO 2. Oops, I didn't mean to rotate. Let's try that one more time. And we'll have this ISO number 2. And because I've actually moved that, I'm going to have to say reset. There we are, hybrid, absolutely fine. Now, in this view here, I could indeed start naming some of these panels. And that is wall panel number 5. And wall panel number 4. And so forth. And obviously number 3. So you see why this may be a useful tool when you're trying to create manufacturer drawings. Oops. And after this, just one more. Yeah, well, I'll assume that that's in there. Okay, so we're starting to see you can build up some lovely details and information about what it is you're showing. So as you can see, we now have 6 pages complete. We have the isometric drawings 1 and 2. We've got a panel drawing that's not actually from this building, so we should probably delete that one. I'll delete that just now. We've got panel number 5, panel number 3, and of course you'll have a panel number 6 as well. We've also got the weights of all of the panels that have been created. Now of course if you're going to be doing timber frame or sit panels, the way how you calculate your weight will be slightly different, but not much more difficult. We have drawings showing all of the plans and the elevations. And then we've got the cover page. On the cover page, what I'm going to recommend you do is do an index of what's all in there. So you can go 1 cover page, 2 panel, plan, and just carry on like that and name all of the pages that you have. I've given you a full list within the coursework brief of what it is you're expected to do. And what you could also do on this page here, once you've finished off the table of contents, is you could perhaps put in a copy of one of the ISOs. So I'll just do this one just now. Assuming this is all finished off, you can save your file. We'll have this as my coursework for CTR 07102. And now you would create that into a PDF. So you would go File, Export, PDF, and then you give that a name. And you create all of your pages. I've only got 5 here. Then simply just export that out. And then append this directly into your output for your written report. So this is my PDF. Of course it's not quite finished, but it's good enough for a demonstration. And please just append that or add that in to the appendix within your written report, and that will be absolutely fantastic. Thank you very much. This concludes layout part 3.